Hello, plant-powered enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of plant-based eating, exploring the delicious and nutritious possibilities of incorporating more fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes into your diet. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just looking to add more plants to your plate, we've got easy recipes and tips to help you harness the power of plant-based eating. Let's get started. First and foremost, let's talk about the benefits of plant-based eating. Plant-based diets are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, which can help lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Plus, they're environmentally friendly, as they require fewer resources to produce compared to animal-based diets. Vegetables into your meals. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables at every meal, and experiment with different varieties to keep things interesting. Now let's dive into some easy plant-based recipes that you can whip up in no time. First up, we have a hearty vegetable stir-fry. To make this dish, simply heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and snap peas and cook until tender crisp. Season with soy sauce, garlic, and ginger for extra flavor and serve over cooked brown rice or quinoa for a satisfying and nutritious meal. Next, we have a refreshing Mediterranean chickpea salad. To make this salad, combine cooked chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, diced cucumbers, sliced olives, and crumbled feta cheese in a large bowl. Drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice, and a sprinkle of dried herbs like oregano and basil and toss to combine. This salad is bursting with flavor and makes a perfect light lunch or side dish. Lastly, we have a refreshing green smoothie that's perfect for breakfast or a midday pick-me-up. To make this smoothie, blend together a handful of fresh spinach, a ripe banana, a cup of frozen pineapple chunks, and a splash of coconut water until smooth and creamy. This green smoothie is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to fuel your day and keep you feeling energized. In addition to these delicious recipes, there are plenty of simple tips to help you embrace plant-based eating in your daily life. Start by incorporating meatless meals into your weekly routine, such as meatless Mondays or taco. Tuesdays featuring plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, or tempeh. Meal prep can also be a game changer when it comes to plant-based eating. Spend some time each week prepping ingredients like chopped vegetables, cooked grains, and homemade sauces and dressings, so you have healthy options readily available for meals and snacks throughout the week. Lastly, don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with new ingredients and recipes. Whether it's trying a new vegetable, grain, or legume, or exploring different cooking methods and flavor combinations, there's always something new to discover in the world of plant-based eating. And there you have it, the power of plant-based eating unlocked with easy recipes and tips to get you started on your plant-powered journey. Whether you're looking to improve your health, protect the planet, or simply enjoy delicious and nutritious meals, plant-based eating has something for everyone. Which plant-based recipe are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more plant-powered content and healthy eating inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking and plant-based living.